First, lay out all of the components. Remove 2 of parts A and put away as spares. Place aside all 5 of parts B. Take part F. Take 5 of part A. Insert part F through parts A as shown here. Flip and screw part F as shown here. Repeat this process so you have 11 stacks. Take part S. Spread apart one of the 11 stacks. Clip part S as shown here. Using a screwdriver, tighten part F. Repeat this process so you have 11 stacks. To start to form the light, take one of the 11 stacks. Take clip part L. Insert clip parts L as shown here. Take part S. Insert clip parts S as shown here. Connect another stack as it aligns shown here. Insert clip parts L as shown here. Insert clip parts S as shown here. Align the next part and connect clips part S and L as shown here. Repeat this process to form half of the light. Flip the light over to start forming the top half. Lay out the components for the top. Take parts B. Unscrew and insert the suspension cord grip part D. To attach the optional silicone bulb cover, slide the silicone cover on top of the lamp holder. Unwind part D and thread through the cord into the cord gripper. Measure to check that the bulb holder will sit slightly above the middle of the light. Tighten the cord gripper. Spread out parts B and insert part S as shown here. Make sure to leave one part without clips. Place the stack of parts B top into the light. Gently clip the top to the supporting parts. Take screw part E. Connect the top with the supporting parts. Well done! You have successfully made your kit set light.
Hi, thank you for buying one of our lights. I hope you enjoyed making it. It's fun. And thank you also for being part of our seed system. We do everything we can to be as environmentally responsible, and you being part of that by embracing the kit set making of the lights reduces the impact of those lights on their environment. Thank you very much. Please follow us on our social media. Keep up to date with our whānau, with our family. Enjoy your light. Kia ora.